ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरं संदिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐ औच् अयवरट् लण् ञमङणनम् जभै घढधश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ चटतौ कपै चषसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनानां नासिका च
नासिकात्
एदैतो गो कंठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतो गो कंठ ओष्टम
ओदौतोः कण्ठ
ओष्टं
ओष्टम्
वकारस्य दंत ओष्टम
वकारस्य दन्त
ओष्टं
ओष्टम्
जिह्वा मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूल्यं
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका
अनुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं
रमेशं
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 भजे।
भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहिता
निशाचरचमूः रामाय
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं
परतरं रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः
चित्तलयः
सदा
सदा
भवतु मे
भो राम
भो राम मामुद्धर
The last class, the last topic was Purva Rupa Sandhi. So we will continue from there. This Ramo Rajamani, what you see, what we chanted. Similarly, we have for Krishna also. I'll show you, we can chant. You see that it is same like Rama. All the Pratama, all the Ekavachanam of Yataranta Shabda. Yata Ramaha Ramam Ramena Ramaya Ramata Ramasya Rame. Similarly here also. Let us chant this. Krishno Rakshatu Mam Chara Chara Guruhu Krishnam Namasyam Yagham.
कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्
कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनियताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः
कृष्णो नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः
It is not Krishna, Krishne. Okay.
कृष्णे sorry
कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः
कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण
कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यघम्
कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्
कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः
कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो कृष्णाय
तस्मै नमः।
कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः
कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्तु हे
भगवान् हे
नमः।
कृष्णतुभ्यं नमः।
Now, like that Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate, similarly here also, Ekavachanam of Krishna Shabda is given. Now, you have to see, applying the Sandhi rule, you have to split and see the words in the individual padams you have to see. Krishno Rakshatu. Let me type and ask you. Here, let me type. Now, you are doing Sandhi Vicheda, not joining. Okay, you are doing Sandhi Vicheda. So let me do it here. Sandhi Vichedam. Let me do it here. Krishno Rakshatu. Please type your name in the chat box. I'll ask, or anybody can answer also. What Sandhi is this? Krishno Rakshatu.
Krishnaha rakshatu visarga sandhi.
Krishnaha Rakshatu. You still step by step. Krishno Rakshatu, there it is. Krishno, that is O is there, right? Krishno Rakshatu. I'm not doing anything, just writing the letter Okara at the end of the first padam. Just writing as it is. Now, Okara must have come by what? By Okara can be split into A plus U. A plus U only gonna happens. We are doing the reverse. Okay, Sandhi Vicheda. Sandhi joining is easy. Splitting is a little difficult. So you have to go in the reverse direction. So A plus U. Therefore, it must be Krishna and U is here, right? Plus Rakshatu. What would have been there in the place of Ukara?
Visarga, Guruji.
Very good. It must be, in fact, it is, you know, it is Ru, right?
Yeah, Ru.
Ru is something but Visarga only. You can say Visarga, nothing wrong. In books and all, they say Visarga, but I taught you it as Ru. Ru plus Rakshatu, right?
Plus Hush. In this case, it is Hush letter.
Yes. Now, Ru. What would have been there in the place of Ru? One step even before that, if you take.
Sakara.
Sakara must have been there. So, therefore, in this case, since we are splitting means the words are separate. Now, it is Ru is there. It is content of Ru is Krishnar plus Rakshatu. We are doing reverse, okay? Reverse process. So, yeah. Therefore,
Visarga lopa bhavati.
Visarga. It is Visarga. Krishnaha plus Rakshatu. Do like this. I mean, I should put the arrow mark. I have put arrow mark like this, but should be like this. Otherwise, confusion can happen. This should be like this. You understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes,
Yes, Guruji.
So actually, the Krishna Rakshatu is Krishnaha Rakshatu. So it is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupa. So Sandhi Vicheda, let me put the arrow mark in the other direction. So like this you have to do. So it is Krishnaha plus Rakshatu becomes Krishno Rakshatu. So the arrow mark, this pointing in the other direction, that would be, that is Sandhi Vicheda, splitting. So therefore, Krishna Rakshatu. Krishna Rakshatu is Krishnaha Rakshatu, Sandhi Vichedaha. Now, take the same shloka. Just apply the Sandhi, whatever you have learned. Krishna Rakshatu, this Sandhi we have done. Mam, okay. Chara Chara Guruhu Krishnam. Here what Sandhi is possible? Let us take that now. Chara Chara Guruhu plus Krishnam. Right?
Dirghasam.
plus
Savarna
achara.
dirghasam.
What Sandhi?
Savarna dirghasam.
Savarna dirgha.
Okay. You are taking Chara plus Achara. Very good. Chara
Yeah.
plus.
Achara.
I'll take
Achara.
Chara Chara only. Let me take. Chara Chara is here it is Char plus. Sorry. It is Chara Chara.
Chara Chara dirgham.
Char plus. Yeah.
Yep. Plus Chara.
Plus
Ch-
Chara. So in the place of A, what would have been there? It is A plus A. Anything is possible. Anything is possible.
is Chara plus Achara.
Achara. So
Yes.
A plus A.
Chara plus Achara. So those are difficulty in Sandhi. In the beginning, you can do like this. Later it becomes easy. Once you know what the words are, you can guess. It must be Chara plus Achara, moving and non-moving. Chara plus Achara, Chara, Chara. Now the same, the next one, next Sandhi there itself. Chara, Chara, Guruhu plus Krishnaha. This is the next Sandhi.
Visarga
Chara.
followed by kar letter.
Yes. If you do step by step, Chara, Chara, Guruhu, in the place of Visarga, what would have been there? Ru, right?
Yeah.
Then followed by what letter? It is Kar letter. Followed by Kar letter. Then one step back, what will be there in the place of
Replace Sakara.
replaced by?
Sakara.
Yes, Sakara.
Replaced by Sakara.
So Ru will become Visarga when followed by Kar letter. If it is a Kar letter, that too it is a Ka Kha Papa, then replacement of Visarga by Visarga is of, or replacement of Visarga by Ardha Visarga.
Ardha Visarga.
So therefore here it is Chara Chara. It is Guruhu only. I'm taking it because we are doing splitting. We make it the individual Padam. So this is Padam, right? So Padantaru will become Repa. So Chara Chara Guruhu plus Krishnaha, or Chara Chara Guruhu, this Ardha Visarga. Ardha Visarga, I'm writing like this parenthesis. That is Ardha Visarga for us. So two forms are there. So this is the Ru becoming Visarga
Ardha
Visarga or Ardha Visarga. Two forms are there. So this is the next Sandhi. So you have to split like that, a shloka, to understand what it is. Now Krishna is Ekavachanam, Prathama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Then Krishnam, that is Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachanam. Namasyam Yaham. How do you split Namasyam Yaham?
Namaha
Syami aham.
Namasyam Yaham. You can answer. What is the word you see here? Two or three words must be there, but one word you very distinctly see in this.
Aham.
Aham.
Mahyam.
Aham you take. Aham you see it very clearly. Right?
Yeah.
Aham. Then what must be there previously? And guess.
Syami.
Namaha.
Namasyam. Okay. Namasyam plus E. Right? Then Namasyam, not E, it is Ya. Namasyam plus Aham is there. Namasyam plus that Ya is there. Right? Namasyam plus that Ya is there now. Namasyam. That Ya is combination of Yakara plus Akara. Aham is there. Therefore, Aham part you have to take it out. The Aham part is there. So, Aham. Therefore, the Purva Pada must be Namasyam Yakara. We are in reverse. In the place of Yakara, what would have been there?
E.
Visargam.
Ikara. Ikara.
E.
Ikara would have been there.
Namasyami.
Namasyami plus Aham. This is the answer.
Oh,
There is no Namaha plus Yami. Okay. Namasyami is future tense. I will salute. Namami, I salute. Namasyami, I will salute. We are not seen, so we will see all those things later. Future tense it is. So, Aham you have to take. In Aham, that A is there. The A is the first letter of the following Padam, which combines with the last letter of the Purva Padam, which is here, Ya is there. So, you have to split that Ya into two, Yakara plus A. So, A is Aham. Then Yakara must have come in the place of Ikara. So it is Yansandi. You understand?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
But you have to identify one word in the beginning at least. Then you know what it is. Somebody said Namaha plus Yami. If it is Namaha plus Yami, you will not get this. If it is Namaha plus Yami, suppose if you take Namaha plus Syami, there is no word Syami in fact.
No, Ji, Sakara is, I think, Sakara is in the place of Visarga.
There is no word. You have to see,
No.
there has to be some meaningful word when you split.
Yes.
Even if you take Sakara in the place of Visarga,
We got carried away by this one step backward, going to Sakara, Guruji.
Yam, no meaning. Yes, Ji.
Namasyam aham. Guruji again got disconnected.
Manjulaji,
Ji.
sorry.
Yes,
you hear
Ji.
me? Then what will be the Namaha plus Yam then?
Yeah,
Namaha
no
plus
meaning.
Yam, if you do Sandhi, it will become Visarga preceded by A, followed by Ashtata becomes Namo. That is another problem, right? If you join, not if you split, if you join, Namaha after splitting, if you are if your answer is Namaha plus Yam after splitting, then again, if you join, you should get the original, right? But you will
Yes.
not get, you will get Namo Yam. So that is not
No.
correct.
Okay.
So this is how we have to check whether our Sandhi is correct or not.
Okay.
And also when you split there, it must be a meaningful word.
Mm.
It should not be something, it should be meaningful. That's why some familiarity with the language is also important. So next one, if you take.
Guruji.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Namasyami, can we split further, Guruji?
You cannot split. Namasyami is a Kriya Padam. It's a fully formed Padam. It is can be derived.
Okay.
That is, we will see that is a little advanced. That Namasyami is future tense. Patishyami, Kadishyami, Vadishyami, Namasyami, I will salute. Next line.
Charanji, there's
Suresh.
also Anuswara Sandhi to Mam and Krishnam.
Yes, yes, it is there, but not Anuswara.
Yeah,
They teach here this plus.
You taught Charanji.
Oh, very good. I thought I had not taught. Mam plus Charachara Guru. That also you can take. What is Mam? Anybody? What is Mam?
Second of Aham Shabdam.
Aham, avam, vayam, mam, ma.
I taught you in the beginning. I said it's important Shabda. Very important. You have to memorize. I don't know how many of you have remember or memorized.
Vibhakti ekvachanam.
Yes. Aham avam vayam mam ma avam nau asman naha maya avabhyam asmabhihi maghyam me avabhyam nau asmabhyam naha mat avabhyam asmat mama me avayogo nau asmakam naha mayi avayogo asmasu. Do you remember?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
I chanted like as it's Vedic mantra, but this is how I memorized. This is my tune, okay? It's we can okay, let us chant that. Since long time we didn't do that. It's an important Shabda. Asmat Shabda, it's an important Shabda you have to memorize. Asmat and Vishmat. Okay, let us do it once. Dakarantaha Asmat Shabdaha Trishu Lingeshu Samana Rupaha.
Dakarantah Asmat Shabdah
Aham avam vayam Mama. Here Mam is there. This is two forms are there. Mam and Ma. Both are two forms are there. For both are this Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mama avam nau asman naha. Maya avabhyam asmabhihi. Mahyam me avabhyam nau asmabhyam naha. Mat avabhyam asmat. Mama me avayogo nau asmakam naha. Mayi avayogo asmasu. Oh, Mam plus Charachara Guruhu. What Sandhi is that? Mam is okay. Mam is a Padam or not?
It is.
Yes.
Yes, because Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mam is a Padam. Charachara Guru is also a Padam. It's a Padam or not?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
What is a Pradipadikam?
Same Charachara Guru.
Charachara Guru is a Pradipadikam. Charachara Guru is one word. Charachara Guru is one word. It is a compound. Guru is one word, we know. Charachara Guru is also one word. There it is Chara plus achara plus guru. 3 words put together has become so one word. Okay. So therefore, chara, chara, guru, just compound, samasa. In Sanskritam it's called samasa. Samasa is a single word. So within this is called samasa, compound. Chara plus achara plus guru, 3 words joined together become one word, and that word is called samasa. And within a samasa, sandhi is a must, no choice. Sandhi is a must. Within a samasa, sandhi is a must. But between the padam, sandhi is
Optional.
You can do, you need not do. That is your choice. You can, like Krishnaha rakshatu, choice. Choice is there. Krishnaha rakshatu or Krishno rakshatu, like the shloka what we saw now. There is choice. There's a choice. Whereas within a compound word, there is no choice. Sandhi is a must. That's why chara chara guru iti. Last class we saw the shloka. If you remember, let us do that also. All these are connected. Samhitaika pade nitya dhatu pasargayo. This chant. Nitya samase vakyetu sa vivaksham apekshate. Samhita sandhi. Ekapade nitya. Within a padam is a must. Now samasa. Now, okay, within a padam is a must. Samasa is separately given. Nitya samase. Within a samasa consists of many words. And between the words, it's a must. And within a padam, there prakriti plus pratyaya, something that will join. And there also it's a must. That is ekapade nitya. Similarly, between a dhatu and upasarga, it is a must. Whereas in a vakya, between the padam, that is optional. So, chara chara guru is samasa. Therefore, chara plus achara, sandhi is a must. Now, mam plus chara chara guru. Chara chara guru is a pratipadikam. So, you decline like guru shabda only. The samasa, a compound word, you have to see what it ends with. If it is ukaranta pullinga, decline like guru. If it is akaranta pullinga, decline like Rama. For example, Rameshwara. Rameshwara is a compound, samasa. 2 words have combined, Rama plus Ishvara. That is another good example. Good example for Nitya samase vakyetu. Rama plus Ishvara. This is samasa. 2 words becoming one word. Therefore, what will happen? Gunasandhi, Rameshwara. So Rameshwara only is a word. So Rameshwara is Rameshwaraha, Rameshwaro, Rameshwaraha, Rameshwaram, Rameshwaro, Rameshwaran. Like Rama Shabda, you can decline. Okay, that is called the samasa. Anyway, that is not the topic we are interested in now, just for your knowledge. Now, mam plus chara chara guruhu. Now, sandhi, vicheda. In the place of anuswara, what would have been there?
Makara.
Remember, we have seen makara only can become anuswara. So, if you split, it becomes mam plus chara chara guru. This is a sandhi. Mam is a padam followed by a consonant. When a consonant follows, what will happen to makara? Pada. And what makara? Important. Condition is
Adanta makara.
Adanta makara. That will become anuswara. That is what has happened. So, mam chara chara guru is sandhi. Okay. The next sandhi now. Second line, if you take, in fact, I didn't plan to do this. It's incidental. Anyway, it's good. Whatever sandhi knowledge we have, you can apply. It's you can see. Krishnena marashatravo. let us take that word first. You have to split. Krishnena Marashatravo. Let me
So
type
it is
it.
Krishnena
Amara
Amarashatrabha.
Shatravo.
Very good.
Shatrabha.
That is, yes, that Shatrava will take it. Shatravaha, we will do it.
Yes.
Krishnena Mara Shatravo. So it is, since Krishnaha, Krishnam, then Tritiya Vibhakti must be Krishnena. Just simple common sense. So we know it is Tritiya Vibhakti. Ramena, therefore Krishnena.
Krishnena.
Krishnena. Let me write like this. Here A is there. Then Mara, there is no Mara and all. Sandhi has happened. Yeah, therefore you have to split. I have written A here. Krishnena. So Krishne, Nakara, then A. Sandhi has happened here. What is that? We have to see. Now, A is, split that into A plus A. Or A plus A, that depending on the meaningful word. So now Krishnen plus A becomes Krishnena. That is Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yep.
So Tritiya Vibhakti, Krishnena. Then Amara Shatrava, that is the following word. Amara is Deva. Amara Shatrava is, that is also a compound. Shatru is Shatrava is Shatru. What is that? When you split, you will understand what is Shatravo. It is, the Jyotiji said Shatravaha. What is Shatravaha? What Vibhakti? What Vachanam? What is the Pradipadikam?
Shatru.
Shatra.
Like
Bahuvachanam.
what Shabda?
Bahuvachanam.
Like what
Like
Shabda?
Guru
Shabda.
Guru Shabda.
Like Guru Shabda.
Pradama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Shatru, Shatru, Shatravaha. So Amara Shatravaha. Amara is Deva. Shatru is enemies. So it means what?
Asuras. Enemy of
Asuras.
Devas.
Enemy of the Amara, the Deva, that is Rakshasas, Asuras. So the one who is a killer of, or one who is the enemy, one who is Krishnena, Vinigitaha is a killer, destroyer. The one, destroy, not destroyer, destroy. The one who destroyed the enemies of the enemies of the Devas, that is
Devas.
Asuras. Now Krishnena Amarshad, what Sandhi? It is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Now next word is Amara Shatravo. Next one, you have to take the following word. Amara Shatravo plus Vinigataha. Vinigataha. Handatu. Han means to kill. Han, to kill. So Vinigataha. So let us take that. Amara Shatravo plus Vinigataha. Sandhi you have to split. Amara Shatra O. Vakara plus O is there. O, I am taking it. Then plus, here it is Vinigataha. So O you have to split. Split into
A plus O.
A plus
O.
A plus
Akara plus
think and do.
Ukara.
No, think it is not. Is it Yen Sandhi?
No, it's a Guna.
No, it is Visarga Sandhi.
Yes. So A plus O, it is fine now. But just A plus O, don't think it's it is Amar Shatrava plus Ubinigataha. Not like that. That Ukara. After that, again we have to see that Ukara has come in the place of
Visarga.
right?
Yes.
Visarga.
Amara Shatrava. Then Ukara is there. Ukara plus Vinigataha. Here, why I said this? If you check the same thing, A plus U or E plus or whatever may be. Here, this A plus U, the Vinigataha, the word has come. There is no change in that. Therefore, A plus U must be the part of the first word. So don't bring the Ukara to the Ukara as though the first letter of the following word. No. Okay. Like in Yen Sandhi, we did like this. Yeah, Yakara plus A. That A is part of the following word, which is Agadapo Agam. And yakara is a part of the first word. Therefore, yakara has come in the place of ikara iti we saw. Similarly, don't do here, I'm saying. Here, vinigataha itself is a fully formed word.
Yep.
So, a plus u, then u is there. U must have come in the place of?
Visarga.
U
Visarga.
must have, it is
Room.
yeah, visarga or room. Then, vinigataha. Since we are splitting individual padam, the padanta room, what will happen? It is
Visarga.
repa, visarga, visarga. Repa and repa becomes visarga. Therefore, after splitting, we have this form. Amara shatravo vinigataha is equal to Amara shatravaha vinigataha. This is how we have to split in the beginning, but later we don't do all these steps. We know we are much familiar with the sandhi. We just split by seeing the word. We will do it. Okay. Next one. So Krishnena Marashatravo Vinigata. Here also next sandhi, what's a sandhi?
It can be Visarga Sandhi followed by Khar. So,
Yes. Vinigataha Krishnaya. Same as what we did before. Charachara Guruhu plus Krishnam. Same thing, right? So therefore we can leave that. Same as before. The third line. Krishna Deva. So now Krishnaha, Krishnam, Krishnena, Krishnaya, Chaturthi has come. So after Chaturthi, what is there?
So it could be Krishnat Eva.
Panchami. Therefore, Krishna Deva must be what sandhi? Krishna Deva is
Jashva.
Jashva sandhi. Krishna plus Eva. You can split like that. And in the place of what? Dakara must have come.
Takara.
Takara.
Dakara. Krishna is a padam or not?
It is.
It's a padam. So padanta jal replaced by Dakara. Therefore, Krishna Deva. Right? So Jashva sandhi. So Krishnat plus Eva. Krishna Deva. Eva is a abhyayam and Krishna is a padam. So Krishna Deva. Then the next word. Samuttitam, you leave as it is. Samuttitam plus Jagadidam.
Jagat plus idam.
Samuttitam plus Jagadidam. Jagat plus idam, here we will do that. Samuttitam
Anuswara
plus
sandhi.
Jagadidam. Again Anuswara
Anuswara
sandhi. Samuttitam, Makara must be there. Okay. Samuttitam, Makara plus Jagadidam. Makara becomes Anuswara because Makara is Padanta Makara followed by a consonant Jagadidam Ja. Understand?
Yep.
Same as the previous one. Krishnam. Here also. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Wherever it is that you apply Anuswara sandhi. Mam Charachara Guru, I said one example. Krishnam also. There also Anuswara is there. Krishnam plus Namasyamyaham. There also you have to do. And Namasyamyaham plus Krishna. There also. Here also Agam we have got Anuswara. That is also sandhi. Because followed by the next word Krishnena, Amarashatravo. There also. So everywhere it is applied. Only at the padant, only at the end of the word or end of the padam, Makara must be there. Here Namasyamyaham Krishnena Amarashatravo, when you say here sandhi is applied. At the end of the sentence or when sandhi is not there, then only Makara you will see. So here also it is applied. In all these places it is applied. Now Jagadidam also sandhi. What sandhi?
Jagat plus idam.
Jagat plus idam. Takara. Jagat is a shabda. Can decline. Jagat, Jagatau. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti iti. Not Jagat, Jagatau. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Napumsakalinga shabda. Jagat plus idam. Jagadidam. Jashva sandhi. There after that Jagadidam plus Krishnasya Anuswara sandhi. Then Dasosmyaham. Already we have seen such examples before. Dasosmyaham. That we will do.
Dasaha plus asmi plus aham.
Yes, Dasaha plus asmi plus aham. Dasosmyaham. dasosmyaham. Akara, then yaham. Here also anuswara is there. Make it in dear makara. So you have to split. Daso. Avagraha is there. Don't bother about avagraha. It is as good as avagraha. Avagraha it tells. Therefore, it must have akara must be there. That's what avagraha tells you. Then smyaham. Then daso. Daso plus asmyaham. Then asmyaham, first we will do that. Asmyaham is as makara. Then ya is there. Then yakara plus a is there. First you have to take this. Daso, we will do it later. I just type as it is. Asmyaham we will do first. Ya is there. Ya is yakara plus akara. Therefore, yakara, then aham. Aham. Yakara must have come in the place of ikara. Therefore, it is asmi, right? It is asmi plus aham. Therefore, the word is asmi. Aham asmi. I am, right? So, here one more step. I will do it. This is yakara plus a. So daso plus what sandhi is there? Asmi plus agam, n sandhi, right? So daso smyagam has got 3 words. So daso plus asmi plus agam. Now asmi plus agam we have formed. We have seen, we have split. Now daso you have to split. How do you split daso? Daso plus what sandhi is daso plus asmi plus asmi only you have to take. Agam not required because it is joining with this word. So daso plus asmi. Now you take daso plus asmi. Just do the splitting. Daso plus
Dasa asmi.
Ayava sandhi. You are not joining, okay? You are, even if you are joining, suppose you are joining, even if you are joining, it is not it is Purva Rupa Sandhi, right? Not Ayadi Sandhi. In fact, Purva Rupa Sandhi only has happened. Okay. Yep. For our understanding, I will make it as dasosmi. This is how it is there. Dasosmi. So avagraha is there. In fact, avagraha is like this. Dasosmi. So dasosmi, you have to split. Daso plus asmi. Yeah, it was Purva Rupa Sandhi. Back, Purva Rupa with final one. So before that, what is there? It is das plus, it is O. Right?
Yeah.
O is A plus
O.
Daso plus asmi.
A plus O.
It is asmi. So it is das A plus U. Asmi. A plus U is dasa, then U.
Visarga. Room.
Asmi. So what must have come in, what would have been there in the place of who? It is room.
Visarga.
Right? Room. So it is room plus asmi. So when you are splitting padantare room, that is dasaha plus asmi. So dasaha plus asmi is, first is ukara replaces, guna happens, then Purva Rupa Sandhi, right? Dasosmi.
Yeah.
So dasosmyaham, dasaha plus asmi, then asmi plus aham, that is yan sandhi. First we have to split like this, find out the kriya padam, then after that, from the kriya padam, you have to pick up one words, that karaka, who is a karta, which is a karma, that part of the next stage. Now we are doing only sandhi, the next one. Then third one, the fourth line you see. Dasosmyaham plus Krishna, that also aham is anuswara sandhi. Padanta makara becoming anuswara because followed by hal, that Krishna takara is there. Then Krishne bhakti rachanchalastu. That word we will take. We have to split that.
Bhaktihi achanchala astu.
Yes. Krishna plus bhakti, there is no sandhi. Krishna plus bhakti, is there any sandhi?
No.
No sandhi. Because Krishna is a followed by a constant, there is no sandhi. So sandhi, nothing, no sandhi happens. Krishna, what vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami
ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam, Rame. So let us take bhakti rachanchala rastu. That we will split. Bhakti rachanchala, then avagraha is rastu. So here also we can easily guess the three words must be there. So let me write as it is.
Bhaktihi achanchala astu.
Here it is, instead of avagraha, I make it as astu. That avagraha means right? So astu is a word. Astu is a padam. Yes. Asmi is there. Similarly, astu. Asti, staha, santi. Similarly, astu, stam, santi. It's a lot lakara. You'll see what it is later. Astu is a padam. Then a plus a has happened. What sandhi is that?
Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Savarna dirgha sandhi. So bhakti rachanchala plus astu. Bhakti rachanchala astu. Now, astu we have split. We have to split this. What's sandhi here? Bhakti word you have heard.
Bhakti.
And chanchala, you know. Now in between ra is there. Rachanchala, there is no rachanchala. So ra you split. Ra, if you split, what do you have? Repa plus a. Right? So repa plus a, then chanchala. So that a, then chanchala becomes achanchala. That is the opposite of chanchala. So that is a meaningful word. So bhaktir plus achanchala. That is another word. Bhakti plus achanchala plus astu. Now bhakti is bhaktir repa. Padanta repa. So what will happen? Padanta repa. Now if you make it an individual word, it becomes
Lopaha.
Bhaktihi. No, not lopa. You're not joining. Okay, don't think we're not. You're splitting. Bhaktihi, making it an individual word. Bhaktir, suppose Rama is there, what will happen to Rama plus Sakara? Rama plus Padanta, Sakara becomes Ru. Then Rama becomes Repa, Ramaha. Similarly here also. Individual. Don't apply Sandhi here. That is a normal mistake. Mistake we do it. We try to join again. Don't do it. If you join, you will get something else. So Bhaktir is a Padam. Padanta Repa. You are splitting. Remember, you are splitting. So replace Repa by Visarga. Repa will become Visarga when? When it will become Visarga?
Preceded by any other vowel except
No preceding. Repa when it will become Visarga. Simple question. When it will become Visarga?
Padanta.
Yes, at the end, at the avasana, at the end, or followed by kar letter. Here not followed by kar letter, but we are splitting into individual word. Therefore, bhaktihi, avasana. After that, there is pause. Then achanchala. Then astu. Therefore, visarga comes. Understand?
Yeah.
So these are the three words. Bhakti, achanchala, astu. This is how we have to split. We will do Gita. We will take Gita first chapter. I mean, we'll do many chapters, as many chapters as possible. We'll do splitting of the words.
Yes, Guruji.
Finding out the words. So Bhaktihi plus Achanchala astu. Okay. So now Guruji, yes.
This Achanchala also can be split as Achan plus Chala.
No. I cannot split. It's meaningful. It's meaningful.
Okay.
If it is meaningful, you can split. Otherwise, you cannot split. Achanchala is a compound. Again, it's a samasa. Na chanchala, achanchala. It's a negative compound, we say. Na dharma, adharma. Na ksharam, aksharam. Similarly, Na chanchala, achanchala. Okay, so bhaktihi achanchala astu. I think we have done the whole shloka. Bhakti rachanchala astu. Astu plus Bhagavan, what sandhi? Astu
No
plus
sandhi.
Bhagavan. No sandhi. Don't think any sandhi, no sandhi. Bhagavan plus Hey, what sandhi? No sandhi.
No sandhi.
Hey Krishna. Krishna, what is Krishna plus Tubhyam, what sandhi?
No sandhi there. Just
Because nothing is there. If Krishna is Sambodhana, Hey Rama, no, nothing will be there. Okay. So Krishna plus Tubhyam, no sandhi. Tubhyam plus Namaha, what sandhi?
Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Anuswara sandhi. Yes. Now similarly, Guru Shabda, this is your homework. Please do it. Let us chant. Guru Reva Gatihi, Guru Re, Guru Meva Bhaje.
Gurureva gatihi gurumeva bhaje.
Guru Naiva Sahasmi, Namo Gurave.
Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave.
Guru Paramam Shishurasmi Guruho.
Naguro
Guru
Matirasti Guru, Mama Pahi Guru.
Matirasti
Guru Mama Pahi Guru.
Okay, this you please take as your homework. Apply the Sandhi rules. You can do it. I will send you the screenshot later. Okay, you can do this. Now, we'll continue with the exercise.
Sandhi.
The last class we stopped. Okay, anyway, yeah, I was not planning to teach this Sandhi split. Anyway, it's incidental. The last class we stopped here. You see the screen? PowerPoint?
Yep.
Yes. Purva Rupa Sandhi. It says Padanta Yang followed by a Padam beginning with a short vowel. Then Purva Paryoho. Purva Rupa Adesha Bhavati. Purva Rupa will be the Adesha. This where we stopped in the last class. Then we saw some examples. Hare plus Atra. Hare is, what is Hare? What vibhakti, what vachanam?
Hare is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Hare is not Saptami. Okay. Think.
Hari Sabda. Sorry.
Panchami. Hari Sabdam. Panchami and Sashti.
Really? Please chant
No,
Hari
this is
Shabda.
Saptami. Sambodhana Pradama Vibhakti
Hari.
Hare, it's only not Hare. There is no Hare.
Hare is
Hey Hare, hey Hari, hey. It is Sambodhana. Good. It's Sambodhana. Ekavachanam. Sapti, Visarga is there. Don't forget. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Harim, Hari, Harina. Harina, Haribhyam, Haribihi. Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha. Hare, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha. Hare, Haryoho. Harina. Hare, Visarga is there. Therefore, don't think it is Panchami or Shashti. It is Sambodhana. And Saptami is Harau, Haryoho, Harishu. So therefore it is Sambodhana. Hare plus Satra. Hare is a Padam or not now?
It is.
It is a Padam because Sambodhana. Hey Hare. Oh Lord. Oh Hari. Hari plus Hare plus Atra. So Purva Rupa Sandhi. Padanta Yang. Hare. A is there. A letter followed by Padam. Atra is a Padam or not?
It is.
Atra. Avyayam, it's a Padam. All Avyayams are Padam. That which are not declinable Avyayams, they are called Avyayams and they are Padam. So Purva Rupa Sandhi. Hare plus Atra. Aretra. Late plus Iva. Lateva. Late is what?
Lata is the Pratama Dvitiya Dvivachanam.
It is not only in Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, it is also in
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya and also in
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana Ekavachanam as well as Dvivachanam. He Rame, He Rame, He Rama. So in 4 places Late is there. So depending on the context, you have to take what vibhakti is. So late is a padam. There is no doubt about that padam. Ante is a padam. Api is a atra, ava, api, agam, ayam, all are padam. Therefore, purva must be a padam. And being a padam ending with yang letter, therefore, purva rupa sandhi. Gopalo plus agam. We know this. Gopalo plus agam. Just now we did. Becomes gopalaha. Agam becomes gopaloham. Gopalaha plus agam is gopalo plus agam, and gopalo plus agam purva rupa sandhi gopaloham. So plus ayam. Saha plus ayam. Saha plus ayam becomes so plus ayam. So plus ayam becomes soyam, soham, and all purva rupa sandhi. Right? Up to this, all the sandhis must be clear. This is only a revision. This now pararupa sandhi is a new sandhi which I have not taught. I'm planning to teach later, but anyway, it is there in this slide now. Let us do it. Only there are many things are there in this. Many what do you call this? Other rules are there. What main important rule only, you know it now. That is enough. If akara is followed by a or o, if akara is followed by a or o is yang letter, a ong, a or o. Then what happens? Then they combine to form the sound, letter sound. Why he is saying sound? Because sandhi. Because sandhi, therefore he is saying sound. Right? Why do we do sandhi? For easy pronunciation. That's called euphonic combination in English. To make it easy. Otherwise, it's become difficult. From Murdanya, you have to bring it to the Kanta, or Kanta to Murdanya. Therefore, to make the sound easier, the sandhis are made. Okay, now here, what the rule says. A only. A followed by a or o, then it becomes a or o respectively. But this is not complete. This is not complete. If I say a plus a or a plus o, what sandhi you will apply? Suppose if this is not there, what sandhi you will apply?
Vriddhi sandhi.
Yes, a plus a becomes I.
I.
A plus o will become au. Okay. Now what happens here? A plus a becomes, what does it say? A plus a will become?
Sound of the later A.
What is that later sound? A. A plus a becomes a. You said Vriddhi, now you are saying A plus a is a, that a is the pararupam, the following word. That is a replacement for both. How do we understand? A plus o is, what we learnt is Vriddhi au. But here he says A plus o is o. Confusion, right? Yes or no? Confusion is there?
Yes.
It has to be there.
Yes, yes, good.
Now, here, what you see in the screen, the rule is written in English. Okay, that is not complete. Don't take that. Now, let me say. When I say A is followed by A or O, that is yang letter. I use the word yang. Can you understand? Yang is A,
Yes.
O, right?
Yeah, pratyahara.
Yang letter. I use the pratyahara, yang, A, ong, I, ouch. You have to remember, A and O are the content of the pratyahara, yang, right?
Yes.
So I use the word yang. Now, when A is what? A is a letter. When A is followed by yang, then what he says, in the place of A as well as yang, both are replaced by yang. This is what the rule says. Now, as I said, what you see in the screen, it is not complete. We have to supply many things. That is why this I will say now. Then after that, I will show you the word file. You will see that. Now, A, when I say that akara followed by A or O, the A when I say, remember, it is the letter of the word. What word? Upasarga. Upasarga is preposition. That the example, if you see, pra plus ejate. Pra is upasarga. Upasarga is they are added. They are added before the verb. That will change the meaning of the verb. That's called upasarga. Now you know it. It's not that you don't know. You know it. Gacchati. What is the meaning of gacchati?
Comes.
Goes.
Okay.
Oh, Kriyapada.
Agacchati.
Sorry. The agachati is comes.
Agachati is
Gacchati goes.
comes.
What is a? That is upasarga.
Upasarga.
Right? Gacchati goes. Agacchati, by adding a, that is called upasarga. What is called? I said preposition by mistake. It's a prefix, okay? Not preposition. It's a prefix. A, if you add a plus gacchati, agacchati, the meaning changes. Totally the meaning changes. Gacchati goes, agacchati becomes comes. Suppose if I, instead of suppose if I add ava, then what happens? Ava plus gacchati.
Return.
Understand.
Very good. The meaning is understand. You understand? Ava gacchati. I'm asking really. You understand ava gacchati? Ava gacchati is ava upasarga gacchati. Right? Ava gacchati. Anu plus gacchati.
Anugachati follows.
Follows. Now you understand what upasarga is, right? So upasarga are those words which are added to the kriya padam, which changes the meaning of the kriya padam. Example: gacchati, agacchati, anugacchati, avagacchati. All these are examples. Now, upasarga I am talking about because this akara is at the end of the upasarga. That is not mentioned in the screen. Okay. So, upasarga ending with avarna, followed by what? What will follow? Upasarga is there, what will follow? Kriya padam, right? Followed by a kriya padam, which begins with yang letter, A-R-O. Then what happens? Then purva and para, that is a and yang will be replaced by pararupam, which is yang letter. So therefore, pra plus ejate, pra is upasarga. Upasarga ending with what letter?
Akara.
And ejate is a kriya padam. Ejate is kriya padam is a verbal form beginning with what letter?
Ing.
A letter, that is yang letter. A plus A, what will happen? Don't apply vriddhi. Therefore, this has to be applied. Therefore, this is apavada to vriddhi. A plus A will be is equal to A alone. A alone. A plus A is equal to A, not I. Therefore, pra plus ejate will become prejate. A plus A, both will be replaced by A only. You understand?
Yep.
Yes or no?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
That condition is, the condition is, it should be, akara should be at the end of the upasarga. That is implies the condition. So here it is akara plus repa. Then a is there. Then ejate. I'm adding this. This is not splitting, adding. So now a plus a. Generally, what will apply? We will apply vriddhi sandhi. But here it is akara belonging to the upasarga and ejate is a dhatu, the kriya padam. Therefore, a plus a will not become vriddhi. It become a plus a is para. What is a para rupam? Purva rupam is akara. Para rupam is ekara. So both are replaced by a, ja, te. What will happen? Here it is pra. Prejate. Understand? This is what is given here. So now you can see. Upa plus oshati, what will happen? U plus O is O, because upa is upasarga. Oshati, kriya padam. It's a verb. Beginning with O, that yang letter. So uposhati. Now, this I have written, modified very clearly. You can see, you can note. You can see my screen. This is called Pararupa Sandhi number 1 because there are so many Pararupa Sandhis are there that we will see later. This alone you know it now. When an upasarga ending in avarna is akara or akara, immediately followed by a dhatu. Dhatu is kriyapadam. You can take it as kriyapadam, nothing wrong. Beginning with what letter? Yang letter. Then both the purva and para are replaced by pararupam. And the pararupam is what? Yang letter. That is Yang will be the adesha. So therefore, this is exception. Apavada to this overrules. Overrules what rule? Which rule?
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. So now you can see. Example. Upa plus ejate. Prejate. Upa plus oshati. Proshati. Vriddhi as well as guna. Okay. Sorry, Vriddhi Sandhi, not guna. Sorry. Vriddhi Sandhi. Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi. Upa plus elayati. Upelayati. So this you can note. Pararupa Sandhi number 1. We'll name it as Pararupa Sandhi number 1. So Purarupa we have seen. Now Pararupa. Okay, this I will send through WhatsApp. Then we'll see in the document. I have to modify. You can know this Sandhi. This Sandhi is a Pararupam. Right? Any doubt in this Pararupa Sandhi?
Good.
Don't take this. Don't take the words of what you see in the screen. What I showed now, word file, that alone you take. That akara must be belonging to a upasarga, followed by a verb, the kriyapadam, beginning with yang. Then only it is applied. Not anywhere. If this is very misleading, what you see in the screen is misleading. Okay. Now let us see some more examples. I think examples are given.
Excuse me, Guruji. What do you mean by Odanaha?
That leave it. That example you can leave it. That is for some other Pararupa Sandhi. That's why I made it Pararupa Sandhi 1, Pararupa Sandhi 2, etc. So that example is not valid in the context of what I said. Upasarga, and that it is not valid. So leave that. Don't take that example. It's a good question. Shuddha plus Odanaha. Shuddha is not an Upasarga. Shuddha is not a Upasarga. Odanaha is also not a Dhatu, Kriyapadam.
Yeah.
So
Odanaha is rice, isn't it?
Rice.
Yes. So therefore, that Pararupa Sandhi still applied because one more Pararupa Sandhi is there. That's why number 2, number 3 is there. I said number 1 only. Okay. Number 1 only I explained.
All right.
So therefore, please don't take this example. This example you can take when you understand other Pararupa Sandhi. That we will see later. Don't worry about it now. Okay. So I think we can stop here. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, will there be any upasarga ending with a?
Para is there. Yes. Parajayate. It is there. Akara. Dirghakara you are asking, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it is there. Only one is there. Para.
And then when that joins also, it will be apavada to...
Yes. Apavada. Pararupa Sandhi will apply. Yes. That's what it says. That's why in the word file I have mentioned upasarga ending with Avarna. You can see the screen. Yeah. Avarna. Yeah. Okay. I think we can stop here. And one small information. And Navaratri starts on Thursday. So we will have a break. We will resume all our classes after Navaratri. That is October 15th is Dashami. So after Dashami, we will resume our classes. We also will be doing puja. I also will be doing puja, going to the temple. So let us celebrate Navaratri and we will meet after Navaratri. Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
Wish you happy Navaratri. Yes.
Thank you.
To you too, Guruji.
One doubt,
Yes,
Guruji.
please. Yeah. Please ask.
Sandhi rule 17. Visarga will be replaced by Repa when preceded by any vowel other than A and A and followed by Achar Hash.
Okay. Sandhi number 17.
17.
Okay, this is one I think you can see the screen. Okay.
Yes. In this, for A, Visarga when preceded by other than Akara and followed by Repa it will become lopaha, and the
Which one
preceding
you're saying?
un becomes.
This is, do you see the screen? This is the one you're talking about, 17?
No, Guruji. Agni plus rochate, agni roch.
Because what is the document number? This is number 3, Sandhi rule, summary of Sandhi rules number 3.
That is
And,
18, Guruji. Agni Rochate.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
okay, here
Guruji.
it is. Okay. Yeah. Got it. See, the
Yeah,
summary of
Guruji.
Sandhi rules are different documents are there because in one document there is some updation. One rule introduced. Therefore, you will see the number difference. Anyway, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
tell me.
Yeah, it is. And the preceding un becomes dirghaha.
Yes.
What about ru, lu, and if it is here, it is agnihi. If it is
What about ru and lu?
like
An is a, e, u. Only those 3 letters only. Don't take the longer and that already I mentioned. It is short and not the long and. Ayivun, rulu, kevong, hayo, chayavarat. Suppose hayavarat and all that, how is it possible? Dirgha. Not possible, right? Because they are consonants. So, ayivun, a, e, u. Only the 3 letters. Okay. If that is not clear, let me write that also. That is a, e, and u. Only the 3 letters. Is it clear now?
Yes, Jay.
This becomes dirgha.
Yeah, my doubt is, this is if it is agnehe like that, what is the
Nothing
sandhi?
happened. Agnehe plus rochate, agne rochate. That is good question. The repa will go. The preceding an is already a only dirgha. Nothing happens. Dirgha will become dirgha only. Continue to be dirgha. Agne rochate. Yes. Repa will become lopaha. That's a good question. Yes. I understand what it means. Agnehe rochate. Yes. Let me write here. Okay. Because you have asked this question. Let me write. Agnehe. Suppose Agnehe is what vibhakti? Possible. Agnehe is Agni Ikaranta Shabda. Arehe. Panchami or Shashti. So Agnehe plus Rochate. Agner, it is Ru, it is in the place of. Okay. It is actually it is Ru. The Repa, right? Okay.
Yeah,
then what will happen to that Repa? The Repa will become Lopaha and Agne Rochate continues to be like this.
Okay, Jay.
But then it is not un.
So this we have to see when the following is Repa. That because there is no word Agne. Is there any word Agne? Think Agne, there is no word. Agni is Ikaranta. E Hare, E Agne, maybe the Sambodhana may be there. Okay, if it is suppose if it is not Sambodhana. Sambodhana only Agne is there, Pratama Vyakti, Sambodhana Pratama Ekavachanam is there. Suppose if it is not Pratama Vyakti, then it has to be Panchamiya Sheshti. There, Visarga must be there. Visarga means Repa. Repa has gone, means by this rule it has gone. Yes. Good question. Next one. Yeah. Ask.
One more doubt, Guruji. This one. Marut Shabda, it is for all the Halanta Padas, Guruji. The declension is for
yes.
all.
Yes. Now you take it as for Halanta because Halanta many are there. But Marut Shabda is simplest one. That's why I gave that as an example to memorize. Not that all the Shabdas are like Marut. Marut is a first what you call Halanta to be memorized. Later we will see other Halanta when we do other Shabdas. Okay.
Okay, Jay.
Anuradha, what is your question?
No, Sharanji, I was just thinking this Agne, when we do, then it is not un, no, Sharanji?
That's why I'm saying it. Dirgha will not happen, but Repa will become Lopaha. One part will happen, other part will not happen. Preceding un, if it is there, it will happen. Not there, it will not happen. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद।